cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut taillight tint, but what you might not know is that Precut Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Hyundai Ioniq 9, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from these small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight tint. So we're going to need slip solution. Slip solution contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And also, if you're not able to remove all the contaminants with just a slip solution, then you can use tack solution. Tack solution contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water, and this will help remove any wax, oils, grease, or any coating that you may have on the lens. But if you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. And don't forget a clean microfiber towel to remove all the contaminants. And also, while you're cleaning the taillights, clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch anywhere else other than the taillights, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then once we're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. So once we finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So just grab your slip solution and apply it to the lens, and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just place the film and start aligning it from the top section here. So just align this edge of the film to as close to the edge as possible to the taillight lens over here. And once you have it aligned on the edge, we're going to lift it carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film and on top. And with their squeegee, we're going to secure it, that way it doesn't shift from this position when we do the stretch, and keeping it aligned on this section of the taillight. Also, if you want to help the adhesive activate faster, you could use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and just apply heat on this top section here. That way we help it activate faster. So now the film is secured, it's not shifting, and now we could work our way towards the bottom. So all we need to do is just keep it aligned, do a small stretch until you reach it to the bottom, and then just tack it down as you go. On this area here, we will need to apply a little bit of heat. That will help it sit around the curve, that way it doesn't lift over time. So if the film is stuck to the taillight and you're not able to move it around, just lift it carefully and apply slip solution, that way we're able to stretch the film. So stretch it going down, hold it in position for a couple seconds, stretch it up to the edge right here, and then grab your tack solution and apply it on this section here. That way the film starts tacking down. So stretch it to the edge, hold it for a couple seconds, make sure everything stays aligned. Spray tack solution in the front of the tint, and then with your squeegee start tagging it down slowly. And don't forget about this top section here. If we need to readjust the film, we can. Just lift it carefully. That way we help remove any fingers that we may have. So lift it carefully, apply slip solution to keep it aligned. And then tack it down. Okay, and then this is the part here where we will need to apply a little bit of heat to help the film start loosening the tension that it has here. That way we can help it tack down. So what you can do before you apply heat is just with your hand kind of help it already start forming to the curve here. So hold it for a couple seconds with your hand. Once you have it for a couple seconds here, then we can start applying heat. This is just so we could help the film start kind of molding to the design here without heat. So now just grab your heat device, apply heat around the curve. And that's pretty much it. So now the film is not lifting. All we need to do now is just make sure it stays tacked down. So after we apply heat, spray tack solution on top and just squeegee to help it tack down. And then if the film is lifting on the edge, just continue applying heat. But before you apply heat, just try to help it tack down without applying heat, like how we did it earlier. And then towards the end you can apply heat. Okay, there you go. And before you seal the entire edge, just double check and make sure you're not leaving any water bubbles. So just wherever you do see it, apply tack solution, grab your squeegee, and start removing the water bubbles that are trapped underneath the film. And the reason why we apply tack solution on the top is just so our squeegee is able to glide and not scratch the film. And now we could just start applying heat throughout the entire film. That will help remove any small fingers that we may have, and also to start sealing the edges. So just apply tack solution all over the edge. Carefully just use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat. And as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel to help remove and seal the edges. Okay, so for this piece, for the top section of the tail light, we're going to need to apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, something to keep in mind is the film is only covering only the clear section here and the clear top section of the tail light here, because the rest is already blacked out. So that way it's a little bit more easier to do the installation. We just need to align it towards the middle. So we're going to start aligning it from the middle. So in order to kind of figure out where to start the alignment is when you place the film down, try to align at least this edge here as close to where the clear part is about to end. So just leave it like that, and it should be around as close to the same similar section on this edge. And then from here we just need to start tightening it down. So we're going to need to grab our tack solution, spray tack solution underneath the film, make sure it stays aligned, and then spray tack solution on top and start tightening it down slowly. And the reason why we need to start the installation on the middle section is that way we could work our way to each edge and then stretch the film to the design of the panel here. So make sure you remove all the solution underneath the film and slowly work your way to one side. And now once we get around this section here, we just need to help stretch the film to the design of the curve here. So we need to go like this. So just lift it carefully. If the film is drying, just apply a little bit of slip solution, place it back down, and just stretch the film to the design of the curve. So as you see, I went like this. And now we just need to hold it for a couple seconds. That way the film starts molding to the design. Make sure if you notice any fingers, just lift the film carefully and tack it back down. So grab your tack solution, spray it on top, and carefully start tacking on the film. We need to help this top section by removing the fingers. So just lift it carefully and tack it down slowly. Once we get to around this area here, this is where we will need to do a stretch like how I did it. And then we will need to help remove any fingers that may occur around this section here. So the same process that we did here, you would repeat it on that end. And then to remove the fingers, same process as kind of how we did it here. Just apply tack solution where you see those fingers, grab your heat device, and focus on applying heat around the fingers. Make sure you apply it evenly. And then what you can do is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and tack it down at an angle. And just hold it for a couple seconds and you should be good. No fingers. So same process as done here, repeat it on that end. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do would be to post heat the entire tail line. So all we're going to use is our tack solution and spray it onto the lens. And we're going to use our heat gun and a clean microfiber towel. With our heat gun, we're going to help apply heat evenly throughout the entire tail light. That way we help remove any fingers on the edges. And also, if the film is still lifting anywhere on the tail light, we help it tack down by using our microfiber towel. So take your time applying heat throughout the entire lens, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the Hyundai Ioniq 9. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other kits for the Hyundai Ioniq 9. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.